Hello, I am Roman Panchenkov and I am an application specialist at Design Fusion. It is essential to check your G-code before sending your program to a machine. In this video, we will look at using the integrated G-code driving simulation to verify exactly what is going to happen on the machine before we send the program. This is CTX Gamma with two spindles, upper head and lower turret. This video shows synchronous machining and how the simulation works using multiple channels. To program this sophisticated machine is a tough task, and NX gives an instrument to use and check all machine functions without interacting with a real machine. This simulation model is called CSE, that means Common Simulation Engine, and it is an integral part of NXCAM. A program check on a virtual machine can save not only your machine and tooling investment. At the same time, you can also virtually do whole machine projects and work out the real tool and fixtures dimensions using 3D models from manufacturers' websites. CSE allows knowing the real cutting time because CSE can calculate cycle time, internal subprogram motions, and machine acceleration and slowdown moments. This simulation allows you to check external NC programs from the real machine with logic statements and loops. Summarizing above, CSE is a very flexible and reliable tool in the CNC pre-production process.